Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can uninstall Zscaler client from your computer, whether it is Windows or Mac. So as you can see right here, first we're going to go through Windows. First of all, on the device, what you want to do is open up your library or files, and this is the screen you'll see. From there, on your device, you need to go to Zscaler, which will be located mostly here in your Windows 8, 10 or 11 drives, which are your most recent drives. Wherever you've installed the Zscaler, wherever you've set the Zscaler destination, it would be right there. Once you open that, you'll see these three prompts, which is this uninstall with a check mark, this uninstall, and Zscaler install. Now what you'll go and do is you'll have to press double click on this uninstall application, and after that what you'd want to do is they prompt you to show you an uninstall password, since you cannot do it without the uninstall password. So make sure you've got that saved as well, and after you double click on this, they'll ask you for the password, and when you attach that password with it, you'll be able to uninstall Zscaler. And similarly with Mac, you need to go to your files and you need to go to your folders. When you scroll down in all of your applications section, as you can see right here, when you're in your files application center, you'll scroll down and at the end you'll see Zscaler. You will press Zscaler and right here you see uninstall application and Zscaler. From here you'll press on uninstall application. You'll double click it just like you do in Windows, and after that you'll provide the uninstall password, and that's just about it. After that, Zscaler will be removed. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.